Welcome to my channel. How to reset Orbi 970 mesh router, full guide. 1. Find the reset hole. On the back of the main Orbi unit, the router, not the satellites, there's this tiny little pinhole. You're going to need a paperclip or SIM tool. 2. Power it on, don't reset while it's off. Leave it plugged in and wait until all the LEDs are doing their normal thing. 3. Grab your paperclip, bend it straight, you'll need it. If you try with a pen tip, it probably won't reach. 4. Press and hold, stick the clip into the reset hole and hold. You're aiming for about 10 seconds or until you see lights blinking on the device. 5. Watch the LED, front light will go amber/orange. That's your cue it's actually resetting. As soon as the amber light shows, let go. 6. Wait, it'll reboot itself. Takes maybe a couple of minutes. Lights will go off, then cycle back on. 7. Reset the satellites. If you've got the extra Orbi units around the house, do the same reset trick on those too. Pin, hold, wait. 8. Reconnect. Once everything's reset, the Orbi is basically back to factory defaults. You'll need to go through the setup again in the Orbi app or web interface. 9. Update firmware. This is optional but smart. After a reset, check for firmware updates in the app. Usually fixes half the weird bugs that made you reset in the first place. Thanks for watching.